Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. And this video once again I'm talking about the Holochain. Oh my god, Holochain is one of the best cryptocurrencies, but unfortunately, as you know, at this time the all changes occur on the Holochain has gone wrong. Oh my god, the changes occur in the Holochain as very badly this time friends. As you can see here, the whole changes occur in the Holochain as negative. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week. That is why I'm very worrying about this, that what's going on in this time in the Holochain. And a lot of people also message me on Instagram that what should we do at this time, as it the best time to buy, sell or hold Holochain friends. So friends, in this video I will show you the more details why the price falls down, why what's the next move of the Holochain. That is why keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if friends, first of all we talk about the currently this time price of the Holochain, as you can see here, and a USD price of the Holochain as 0.01273 USD dollar. At this time price of the Holochain, absolutely the price is very low if you want to invest at this time. So I think the price is very low. That is why I suggest for all you that please invest in a Holochain friends. But now as you can see here, the price change is negative. Let's see the price chart for more details. As you can see here, from the previous last 1 day, I mean the previous last 24 hours, the over and over falls occur in the Holochain. So what's the reason behind that and why the price is going down? Oh my god, I'm really worrying about this what's going in this time on the Holochain. Ready, as you can see here, negative 11.19% change occur in the Holochain in the price in the 24 hours. That's very bad. If this kind of change continue in the Holochain throughout this month, so and the coming soon days the price become again zero friends, and that's not a good. So friends, what should we do this time friends? There's only one way. As you can see here, as I show you in the start of this video, that the whole changes occur in the Holochain as negative friends. Now friends, that is clear for all of you that it's time to hold Holochain. If you want to sell Holochain in this chapter, so you already know that the price change as negative, that's mean that you are in the loss phase. If you sell Holochain at this time, so you are in the loss. And if you hold Holochain, so maybe there is a lot of chances to they again take a jump. And when they take a jump in the future, so that's clear that they will give you good amount of profit in the future. So that is why my suggestion for all of you, my suggestion for all of my viewers, my subscriber, that please hold Holochain at this time. I hope that there's a common phenomenon of cryptocurrencies market, that after some passage of time, Holochains take a jump. As you can see here, the over and over falls occur in the Holochain, and that is the phenomena. After a falls, there is a jump. After a falls, there is a jump. So now already a lot of falls occurs in the Holochain. So now it's time to take a jump. It's time to hold Holochain. What's your prediction? What's your opinion about Holochain? Please share in the comment box. And kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.